Well, good morning, friends. We woke up here this morning and it's a little bit breezy out there. A little bit of chill off that water. So just kind of hanging out in the vans this morning trying to devise a plan for the day. Not sure where we're going to go yet. We're going to go try a wildlife management area not terribly far from here. See if we have any luck with that. And yeah, we'll take you along with us.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So we were just checking the weather and it's not looking good. We checked the weather before we left and it looked like it was just going to rain one evening. And then now it's calling for rain for the next 3 days and nights. So I'm not sure what we're going to do. We're gonna go that way for now. So another part of the problem is it's a holiday weekend. It's Easter weekend. So everything's kind of booked up as far as any kind of screen shelters or yurts or anything that we could just get out of the rain. So I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. Away we go. Looking for a trash can. Alright, we're going to check out this Holland Bottoms wildlife management area. Very pretty. I love the pine trees. Alright, let's see what's down here. Yeah, I don't know about this. Might not be the place to be if it's going to rain for 3 days. Yikes. Sign back there that said road unsafe when underwater. Yeah, I think kind of cracks me up that they actually had to get a sign made that said that. So yeah, train tracks, awesome. Yeah, we don't have banjos in the woods. We've got Vicky on a ukulele. Good times. Alright, so this'll do. This'll do. We were afraid for a minute that we weren't really supposed to be here, but a sheriff just drove through and waved at us, so we're taking that as a you get to stay here. This'll do. It's very pretty. Not a lot of trash. Vicky picked up a little bit, but pretty clean. What you think, Vic?
I like it.
Yep. So we can hear somebody working not too far from here, but I don't think that'll go on all night, right? We'll find out. It won't really matter. We won't be able to hear them in the van anyway, so. Just gonna enjoy our peaceful afternoon, do some bird watching and some butterfly watching, and that's all that's on our agenda. Train track's pretty close. This'll make for an interesting night. So we decided to take the bikes out for a spin, only I have a flat tire again. Rex fixed my tire a few weeks ago. The very first thing I did, took it out on the road. A car was coming. I pulled off the road right into this huge sticker patch. So, got another slow leak. Lone Star Rider to the rescue.
Well, they don't make it easy.
So this time we bought some of the slime stuff that Mr. Breeze recommended that we get We're gonna give it a shot. What do you think of that slime stuff?
It's good for emergencies
Yeah,
because it puts slime in your tires.
yeah. Are you ready, Miss Mechanic?
I'm gonna demonstrate the flatness of
Yeah,
your tire.
it's a little flat. So they say first to remove all the air. So we've got that. And then it says to remove the valve stem with the handy dandy tool on top of the slime.
Do I take this off too? I've never removed one of these. Let's see if I'm any good at it. Inside tool part. Oh. What's happening? I'm doing it!
Yay!
Yay! I get so excited when we figured it out. Alright.
I know.
Now tires you can fully deflate. Oh my gosh, that's so wild! Can you see it?
I can.
How do we know when we're at a half a bottle? Oh, we're not anywhere near half a bottle.
Well, that's pretty fun.
Alright, we should probably clean that out in a minute
All right.
before we put it back. Guess I'm gonna go in reverse with this.
You're amazing, Vicky.
Just do that for reals.
I'm so proud of you.
Well, thanks. Can't believe all the things we've learned lately. I want to clean that off so I don't get it in here because I feel like that sealant's probably not. So we're not gunking this up.
Good move.
Okay, 20 pounds, here we come.
Watch out, the bike's gonna fall over. What's it up to?
20.
Perfect. All right, I think I need to ride real quick and let it spin around in there. And our campsite's right there. We pick them well. Cool. Alright, well this is how we're ending our day. Lovely little campfire. Sun's about to go down. Hopefully they'll get that train down there fixed before sunset. Pathetic little campfire. Good night, y'all. Thanks for watching. I hope wherever you are it's quieter than it is here. Good night. Get back in it. My content keeps walking off.
I'm going to give you this. Will you hang on to it?
I can do that. Always here to give you a hand.